Today we are discussing one of the topic for the standard of intermediate first year. The title is Shiksha, that means education. This topic is taken from non-detail. So this title topic is divided into 4 parts. That now we are discussing part number 2. That means in previous part we are discussing about the Manmohan Bhatia's means author's biography. Mean when he born here, which place, the place birthplace of the Manmohan Bhatia, and when he started the primary education, what is the higher education, what awards he got, and then next how to do the services in the special Hindi literature. And he has finally he was famous in what one? As a story writer. So okay, now we are come to the topic. Today's topic is Shiksha, that means education. This topic is written by the Manmohan Bhatia. What is the opinion of the author? What is the given the message to us? The means the particular the students of a new generation. Okay, here the main title, as per that title, education. The main character of this topic is Ravindra. Ravindra is one of the boy who was born in poor people or poor family. He was very struggle in his life primary education from the childhood stage, but he got the ambition as a good as a IAS. He do that struggle in his life. Here many problems he faced, many problems struggles in his family or family members, but he can't leave his ambition as make a collector. So finally he reached the goal as completed IAS course. Then he made collector in the same district, and what are the struggles, what are the problems in childhood stage, he solved that all the problems one by one, and he was famous and got the award as a good collector. Not only the particular services of his the district, throughout all the collectors, he was one of the best collector. He got the award. Okay. So here the Ravindra's biography of Ravindra is he born in a poor family, and he got a native of the village. Which village he was live? The far distance, the 8 kilometers distance from the highway, or you say that town. In the middle of that Ravindra's village and the town, he got 8 kilometers. That's one of the river, and that one river is floating away. So that the people are decided to go to one of the pull on a bridge, a temporary bridge on that lake or the river. And he build the one of the bridge temporarily, but when the water is floating is the more, that will be the broken and that is can be float away. So the most of the people that village were as farmers, and the 50% of the villagers are their occupation as a milk boy. So milk kettles are they getting the milk kettle, and next they sell their milk in the town, mean on the way of the same bridge. So which is built by the temporary on that lake, the between the town to that village. So okay, but that Ravindra got the poor family as agriculture family, farmers family. The family depends upon the only agriculture. There is no sources of the earning money. For Ravindra's father got the two sons, that he do hard work in his field, and he has maintained the family as okay. But the Ravindra was very interesting in education, in studies. So as per his interesting, his father was sent to Ravindra to the high school which is nearby the village and at the town. So he was daily he go attend the schools, and he got good knowledge in his primary education. In every examination, he got good marks, and he was in a class first. He got many problems, more problems in his education, defaults, but is not fear, and he attended complete his education up to 10th. After the in that he appeared that 10th examination, and he got the first rank in throughout the district. So his headmaster was appreciating him, and he identified his talent in primary level. Then afterwards, that Ravindra, when he got the first rank in the district, his Ravindra's headmaster was appreciating him, and everybody appreciate to him for getting the good knowledge and coming here as a first rank. He got a first rank. But in college level, here when he goes to that higher education side, his father and the village people, not only that, his friends are very disturbed to him. Means nobody can encourage to continue his education in intermediate. At the same time period, the one of the car factory was stopped in his village. So it will be run in the age of his intermediate. So most of the people are Ravindra's friends are do the job in that factory and the money. But he was not interested. Ravindra's father was very pressure, and that pressure to do the job in that factory. And he stopped the education. You should earn the money to maintain the family easily. At the time, the Ravindra's what one? elder brother's marriage will be, he got the married and he has the separate in his separated in his own family. So it's that more that loans he got the marriage and the Ravinder's brother marriage. His father was taken the loan and the sell the 50% of his field. Now the maintaining of his Ravinder's family is very trouble. So Ravinder's father and the mother, I mean the parents are just encouraged to do the job in the factory and earn money, and there is support to the run the family. But he was first time he was rejecting the parents the opinion, and next after some time here he continued his apply the intermediate, he continued the studies, but after some time this is very problematic in the family, maintaining in the family. So he decided to attend the job in the morning, here our morning section, and here studies in night time. So he continued his intermediate like that period at the salary of 5,000, but and remaining other family member that the workers got only the 4,000. But he got the good job as a white collar job as a maintaining of the car the showroom. So okay, the family running family will be the maintaining very smoothly. But in exam after some time that Ravinder's intermediate exams are started, he do hard work and he attend the examination. At that the result he got the good marks as a first in that district, like in 10th class. So he's a fan that principal, college principal also motivate him and he are encouraged and support as a not only that moral support but economically he support him. And he apply the continue his higher education as a group IAS examination. As per his the motivation, the principal's motivation, the lecturers' encouragement, he attend the IAS examination and he got the what one? He got the selected as a good rank and selected to the training for IAS. At the time, the parents and the friends are not accepting that leave the job and you attend go to the town and he are continued his course of group 1 as IAS. Finally, he left all the parents and the friends, and he finally decided to his the future, bright future, and he has own goal. Starting his life is very struggle. He do hard work, and then he after completion of within a short period he completed his IAS course. He got a good result as a IAS, means collector. At the time of selection and here after completion of the course training, we are appointed the selecting the districts and as the joint collectors. He decided all the friends are what one here selecting the all major districts, but lastly the Ravinder selecting that backward the district his own native district. And the government also the supporting here selected here give the chance to as a collector to the same selected district. So he started his services and he developed the district. The first of all he visited the village and he is the first the project he started the which lake or the river in between of his native village and the town. First project he started here inaugurated and he do the job and successfully, and his parents also came living with his luxury life as the building and their cars and their servants. Okay, means what the moral of this the story means, if you do hard work, here more of the struggles, the problems are there in his life, but you are not fear and you are face the problems and you get the you are reach the goal and achieve the goal, and at the time you get the if you are get the goal and you get the success in the life, and then afterwards you are getting the luxury and you are enjoy the life. So here that author's moral is given the model life of Ravinder, and he get the success, reach the goal. How to get the goal? And you should be decided and you should be motivated, and here you should make and a plan in that in the primary or your life period, and you do the struggle and reach the goal, right? Thank you. तो इस प्रकार से इस पर यहाँ पर शिक्षा वाला शीर्षक दिया गया। इस शिक्षा का जो ये कहानी पाठ है, इस कहानी के कहानीकार मनमोहन भाटिया जी हैं। मनमोहन भाटिया जी कहानी का मुख्य पात्रधार जो होता है वो रविंदर है। रविंदर नामक बालक है। ये बालक इसके माध्यम से ही शिक्षा नामक शिक्षा का महत्व बताया गया है। माने शिक्षा क्या है, शिक्षा किस कैसे स्तर से व्यक्ति को अपनी उन्नति प्रगति को और बढ़ा सकती है, इसका महत्व बताया गया। रविंदर एक छोटा सा गांव का बालक था। मैंने एक गांव का निवासी था जो बचपन में, तो गरीब परिवार में इसका जन्म हुआ था। ये एक किसान परिवार में इसका जन्म हुआ जो गांव का खेतीबाड़ी करते हुए अपना जीवन निर्वाह करते थे। रविंद्र ने खुद अपने बलबूते पर पढ़ता चला गया, मीन्स नॉट डिपेंड टू एनी अदर्स। ये क्या है, वो किसी पर आधार के बिना अपने अच्छी पढ़ाई के कारण सरकार का जो वेतन मिला और उसके साथ साथ पारितोषिक के कारणवश अपने कठिनाई का सामना करते हुए पढ़ाई पर ध्यान देते हुए उन्हें बलबूते पर कार्य करता गया। बलबूते का मान क्या होता है, मीन्स स्ट्रगल खुद सा पढ़ाई करता गया और उसके बाद वह स्कूल की हर परीक्षा में प्रथम का माने फर्स्ट आता गया, FIRST फर्स्ट आता गया। और रविंद्र 10वीं कक्षा में 10th स्टैंडर्ड में क्या हो गया, कक्षा के बोर्ड परीक्षा में पूरे जिले में प्रथम आया था। मैंने इस प्रकार से वो अपनी शिक्षा का आरंभ कितनी कठिनाई के साथ किया है। 10वीं कक्षा में भी उस जिले में अपने पाठशाला में नहीं बल्कि अपने गांव का नहीं बल्कि पूरे जिले का प्रथम छात्र था। 10वीं कक्षा में उत्तीर्ण बने बोर्ड परीक्षा के अंतर्गत। स्कूल के प्रधानाचार्य ने रविंद्र की प्रतिभा का अवलोकन किया है, मैंने इमेजिन किया है। कब हुआ इमेजिन जो हुआ है मैंने प्रतिभा का क्या पहचान करना, प्रतिभा की की पहचान, प्रतिभा की पहचान छोटी उम्र में ही कर लिया था। मैंने वो बचपन से वो कैसा पढ़ता था उसके अंदाजा किया है। मैंने अवलोकन करना, मैंने अंदाजा करना, अंदाजा करना। ओके, और उम्र में ही किया था। तो जिले में प्रथम आने पर रविंद्र का उत्साह और भी, मैंने इंटरेस्ट, मैंने पढ़ाई पर मैंने लगन क्या हुआ, दुगना हो गया और अधिक श्रद्धा से पढ़ने लगा। नहीं, इस प्रकार से क्या हो गया, तो वो जब प्रथम आने के मात्र से उसका और भी उन्हें उत्सुकता बढ़ गई, उत्साह बढ़ गई। रविंद्र अपनी प्रतिभा माने अपने टैलेंट को, टैलेंट को लगन के मेन इंटरेस्टिंग, इंटरेस्टिंग कंसंट्रेशन, इसे सिंपली कंसंट्रेशन, कंसंट्रेशन को बल पर आगे बढ़ता रहा। मीन इज कंटिन्यू हिज एजुकेशन, है ना। और इस प्रकार से उसके अंतर्गत और भी ध्यान बढ़ता गया, पढ़ाई पर उत्सुकता बढ़ती गई। तो और अपना लक्ष्य आईएएस बना रखा है। मीन अंतिम में वो क्या बनना चाहता था, आईएएस बनना चाहता था। आईएएस की परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण करना था उसका लक्ष्य था। ये आईएएस की परीक्षा का उत्तीर्ण करना। और अंत में रविंद्र परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण होकर क्या बन गया है, कलेक्टर बन गया है। इस प्रकार से हमें इससे भावनाओं से क्या कि इस प्रकार की नीति मिलती है। हम मनुष्य कठिनाई के सामना करते हुए अपने लक्ष्य बनाने के लिए जो परिश्रम करता है, तो अवश्य एक दिन उसको कई प्रकार के कठिनाई आते हैं, लेकिन उसका सामना करने से उसका जीवन लक्ष्य पूरा हो जाएगा। तब वो अपने सुख का, अपना जीवन धन्य बनेगा। तब वो सुख सुविधा का वो एक मार्गदर्शक बन सकता है। धन्यवाद।